Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to save local file. Simple. Or usually we save file is save here, then save to cloud. Okay, if you want to save in your computer, then you can click here, file, save to local. Okay, so just click OK. Then the file will save in your computer. For example, okay, here, document, download. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so once I want to open it, okay, so I click OK first, empty this area. So when I want to open from my computer the file, then I just click open local. So according to the file, download, okay, this one, open. So it will load automatically. Okay, ta-da! Thanks for watching. Bye.